Go.
Ito po, a blessed birthday, my sister Rosalie Queruela. Wish you all the best, good health. Sana prayer and wish namin po, gumaling ka na, back to normal tayo. Thank you, always. Mahal ka namin, ikaw yung aming good provider. Ayun ni Kuya. Thank you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Mama Ning. I wish you good health, lasting happiness, and more blessings to come this year ahead.
Happy birthday, Mars Rose. Sana ang wish ko sa iyo ay siyempre ang kagalingan mo para ma-enjoy mo yung buhay retired at saka ma-enjoy mo yung pag-aalaga sa apo mo na ang gwapo-gwapo at yun lang at isa pa pala yung ma-enjoy mo din yung 60% discount. Wishing you good health and all the best. God bless you always. Thank you.
Okay na?
Apo.
Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Sana lumaba pa ang marami pang birthday ang i-celebrate mo. Yun na po. Hi Mars Rose. Happy birthday. Prayer ko for you is stay healthy and be strong. Enjoy the retirement and welcome to the 60th, to the SC. SC na lang kasi para hindi masyadong obvious. And praying for you always. Be happy and stay beautiful. Happy birthday again. God bless you.
Hi Mare, happy 60th birthday. Ngayong 60 ka na, mag-enjoy ka na lang, relax ka lang para bumata ka palalo. Stay healthy and enjoy. Happy birthday.
Hey, Tita Rose. I wish you good health po and more birthdays to come.
Ako din, good health, na sana lumakas ang katawan palagi dahil marami pa tayong more memories to come. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more happiness. More birthdays.
Same.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, my dear cousin. More health and God bless. Yun lang.
More birthdays to come and God bless you po. Birthday po Nina, we always wish you good health and happy life.
Birthday po, Tita. Have a healthy life and stay fit.
Happiness, ito importante. Pag sobrang malungkot, kasi ano gagawin natin sa buhay, mag-enjoy ka na lang, ha? Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Rose. I wish you good health, more happiness, long life, and more years to live. Happy birthday! God bless, Rose.
I wish you all the best, good health always, and still pretty.
Rose, happy birthday. More blessing to come. Long life, good health, God bless you. Mag-ingat palagi at ingatan ang kalusugan. Yan lang.
Birthday Rose. Lahat naman gusto habang buhay. Yun lang.
I love you.
Hindi na.
Ay, sus.
Uwi na yun.
JJ. Okay, video. Okay, thank you. Kaya tawag ko tulog.
Super Gina.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Birthday to you. Oh,
Yung mama guy.
look. JJ. Hello. Basta sila. Miss Micah.